Want to start making real money online in 2025? You don't need to be an expert, and you definitely don't need to go viral. All you need is a strategy and a little consistency. Here are 6 proven ways to make money online in 2025. Let's get into it. Option 1: freelancing. Got a skill like writing, graphic design, video editing, or coding? Sign up to websites like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. You can charge by the hour or by the project, and clients are global. Start with small gigs, build your reviews, then raise your rates over time. Option 2: selling digital products. Think ebooks, templates, presets, or online courses. You create them once and sell them over and over again. Use platforms like Gumroad, Teachable, or Etsy to host and sell your files. This is perfect if you want passive income without physical shipping. Option 3: print on demand. Design t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases without buying inventory. Sites like Printful and Printify handle everything. You just upload your design. Then connect to Shopify or Etsy to make sales. It's easy to start and can scale fast if your niche hits. Option 4: content creation. Start a YouTube channel, a podcast, or grow a TikTok following. Once you have an audience, you can monetize through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate links. It takes time to grow, but this is one of the most powerful long-term income streams online. Option 5: affiliate marketing. You promote other people's products and get paid a commission for each sale. You don't need to create anything, just share your unique affiliate link. Use platforms like Amazon Associates, ShareASale, or promote digital tools you actually use. Option 6: AI tools and automation. Leverage tools like ChatGPT, Canva AI, and video generators to speed up your work or offer AI-based services. You can sell faceless YouTube content, auto-generate blog posts, or create custom business assets, all with AI. 2025 is the best time to use tech to your advantage. Final tip: start with one method, stick to it, and be consistent. There's no magic button, but if you treat it like a business, it can change your life. Whether you want a side hustle or a full-time income, there's an online path that fits your style. That's how to make money online in 2025. Now hit like, subscribe, and let's make this your most profitable year ever.